Before the world called him a legend. Before Hollywood feared his speed. Bruce Lee was just a skinny boy, getting beaten in the streets of Hong Kong. But what if I tell you? The pain he suffered created the dragon. Angry teen Hong Kong streets. 1950s Hong Kong. Bruce involved in street gangs. Constant fights. Police warnings. Dialogue-style narration. He wasn't born disciplined. He was wild, angry, uncontrolled. Every fight made him stronger, but also closer to destruction. The turning point. Parents worried. Sent to learn Wing Chun. Master IP man training. Discipline begins. That day, he didn't just learn to fight. He learned control. Racism and rejection. Mixed heritage discrimination. Kicked from certain schools. Challenged by other students. They rejected him. They mocked him. But they had no idea. They were building a monster. Sent to America. Parents feared arrest. Sent to USA at 18. $100 in pocket. From street fighter to immigrant dreamer. The mind shift. Philosophy studies. Created his own style. Be water mindset. He stopped copying others. He became himself. The dragon was not born. It was forged in pain.